how to set up Context7 MCP in Cloud Code. So what you'll have to do is you can go directly to your Cloud Code and then you can have access to Content 7 according to your wish. So I'll teach you the steps how you can do it. So for that, I'll be saying you the steps. So for that, you'll have to simply go to your preferred browser and then search for Context7 MCP, and you'll simply scroll down till you find the intro context 7 MCP, and then you will go to this link right here or the website right here. So once you're there, you'll have to go ahead and hit towards the installation option in the context 7. So you'll have to install the context 7 basically. So here it also provides you a note that API key recommended, get a free API key at context 7. So you can get those API key because they are gonna be needed for future. So you can simply go to this manual installation and other clients where you can find the Context 7 as MCP. So once you press there, you will be sorted with the core different kinds of clients, and you can go to the Cloud Code. So here you can see run this command, see Cloud Code MCP docs for more info. So you can see the Cloud Code docs for more info, but you can simply select local server connection or remote server connection according to your wish, and then you'll simply have to copy the code. So you'll simply have to go this and copy, and once you copy you can simply go to the cloud code and you can paste it there. So it's simple copy and paste, but you will of course require a API key as I have said you previously. So once you get that API key, you will be asked with the authorization, and other prompts will be provided to you, which is very easy step, and you can simply go ahead to the cloud code and you can simply do your work in there. So you can use the MCP context 7 according to your preference in cloud code in this way. Hopefully it helps. Thank you.